Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm a general contractor, and today I'm going to talk about the Milwaukee 12-volt cordless drill. If you're a homeowner and you just bought this drill to assemble furniture, this is a great drill for that task. If you're a professional, it's a great drill for tasks such as installing cabinets and cabinet hardware. I'm going to show you how to operate this drill. I'm going to talk about all the different features, and then I'm going to talk about the battery. First, how to operate the chuck. The chuck is what holds the bits, whether it be a drill bit or a screwdriver of some sort. To make it larger, you just rotate it this way. You see the teeth, they get farther apart. And then if you want to tighten or clamp on something smaller, you rotate it this way, and that also tightens it. So first you put your bit in, keep turning it until it's tight, hold on to the body, and then now you can use it. To loosen the chuck, you're just going to turn it the opposite direction. Turn it until it's loose and grab your bit and you're done. This drill has two speeds, 1 and 2. Most of the time you'll operate this in the 2 setting. 2 is the fastest setting, but the speed can be controlled slower or faster by how far you pull the trigger. So if I pull just a little bit, it's going to go slow. If I pull it all the way, it's going to go the fastest. Setting 1, when the trigger is fully depressed, it does not go as fast as it does in 2. You would want to keep it in 1 for tasks that require a lot of power, such as a hole saw. Next, I'm going to talk about the clutch. Most of your drilling applications, you can do it in this setting, where the drill bit is lined up with a little arrow there. But if you ever find that, say, the drill is snapping the head of a screw off, and you need to, or you need to consistently set a fastener at the same depth each time, you can adjust the clutch so that once a certain amount of torque is reached, the drill will slip and it will no longer continue to drive the fastener into the material. So rotating it all the way this way down to 2, it has the least amount of torque, and it would not sink the fastener in as far. You can keep tuning how deep the fastener is set into the material by turning it up or down until you get what you like. As you rotate it up, you get more power. Over here you notice a little hammer icon. When you rotate it to that, it puts the drill in hammer mode. Hammer mode is or hammer drilling is mainly used for masonry applications when you need to drill into brick or concrete block. The difference there is that drill not only turns, but it does a pecking action as it rotates, giving you a big advantage when you're trying to drill into masonry. It's really the only way to put a hole in any kind of brick or concrete. Next, I'm going to talk about forward and reverse. Most of the time you'll be in forward. You can see there the little arrow pointing that way. Spins the chuck clockwise. You can see that. But if you want to go to reverse, you just go to the other side. See the arrow pointing backwards towards the back of the drill. Push it, and now the drill will spin in reverse. Now I'm going to talk about the battery. With the M12 line of tools, to get the battery out of the tool, there's 2 tabs. One here, and then one on the opposite side. You're going to squeeze both of those tabs at the same time, and you're going to have to pull hard, and then it'll come out. To put it back into the tool, you don't have to squeeze anything. You can just line it up the correct way. If you see the matching profiles, just take your battery, insert it, and give it a push until you hear it click. To charge the battery, you're going to take it out the same way I showed you. Depress the 2 tabs on each side at the same time and pull. Then you're going to come over to your charger, and you're going to find this port right here and push down until you see the light come on. You'll notice it's red, which means it's charging. Once this battery is fully charged, this will stop being red and this will be green, which means you're fully charged and good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tool tips, home improvement tricks, and tutorials. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.